Hello friends, to DevOps. In this video, we are going to learn Prometheus and Grafana, and in this video, we are going to learn how to install Prometheus and Grafana with WMI Exporter on sorry. Hello friends, welcome back to DevOps. In this video, we are going to talk about Prometheus and Grafana, and in this video, we are going to learn how to install Prometheus and Grafana using WMI Exporter on Windows Server. And in this video, we are going to talk about these 4 points: what is Prometheus, what is Grafana, what is WMI Exporter, and in last, how to install Prometheus and Grafana with WMI Exporter on Windows Server. So let's start from first. What is Prometheus? So the Prometheus is an open source Linux server monitoring tool mainly used for metrics monitoring, event monitoring, alert management, and etc. Prometheus had changed the way of monitoring system, and that is why it has become the top level project of Cloud Native Computing Foundation, that means CNCF. And Prometheus uses a powerful query language, that is PromQL, and in Prometheus taps or and handles hundreds of services and microservices. Prometheus use multiple modes used for graphing and dashboarding support. So that's the Prometheus. So the next is, what is Grafana? So Grafana is a free and open source visualization tool mostly used with Prometheus to which monitor metrics. And Grafana provides various dashboards, charts, graphs, and charts and alerts for the particular data source. Grafana allows us to query, visualize, explore metrics, and set alerts for the data source, which can be server, nodes cluster, and etc. And we can also create our dynamic dashboard for visualization and monitoring. So we can save the dashboard and can even share with our team members, which is one of the main advantage of Grafana. So that's the Grafana. So the next is, what is WMI Exporter? So WMI Exporter is an exporter utilized for Windows Server to collect metrics like CPU uses, memory, and disk uses. And it is open source, which can be installed on Windows Server using the .msi installer. And next is Windows Server Monitoring Architecture. So you can see here in diagram. So firstly, Grafana sends periodically queries to Prometheus. Prometheus periodically sends periodically scraps to Windows service, and then WM Exporter. And so you can say the exposing metrics on port number 9182. So that's the Windows Server Monitoring Architecture. So now we are going to install Prometheus, Grafana, and WM Exporter on Windows Server. So let's start. So firstly, go to the official page of Prometheus. You can see here, and if you click on here Prometheus, you can see the installation of for Windows Prometheus. You can see the version 2.32.1. So you can install from here. So now we are going to install Prometheus, Grafana, and WMI Exporter. So you can see here installations for Prometheus, Grafana, and WMI Exporter. So let's start from Grafana. So firstly, we are going to install Grafana. So you can see the installation. You can install from the official Grafana. So click on next. Then I accept the terms in the license agreement and click on next. Next. Then install. So it's installing. So yeah, it's complete. So click on finish. That means our Grafana is successfully installed. So firstly, go to the Grafana lab and click on configuration and then click on default. So search for SMTP. So here you can see enable false. So here true. And now if you check from first, so you can see here the port number is 3000 for Grafana. And if you scroll down, so you can see here the name Grafana, then root user. So that's so here you can simply change the SMTP. Here you can see false replace with true. So save the file and exit. Then now let's check our Grafana is successfully installed or not. So localhost and our Grafana port number is 3000. So you can see the login page. So by default, when you install after installation of Grafana, if you log in first time, so the default username and password is admin. Password also admin. So click on login. Now enter new password for more security. So re-enter again. Now click on submit. So you can see our Grafana dashboard. Welcome to Grafana. So you can see the dashboard of Grafana. So now it's successfully installed. So the next is now we are going to install Prometheus. So for that, go to the downloads and you can see Prometheus. So for Prometheus, firstly we are going to install NSSM. So then we are going to install Prometheus via NSSM. So firstly, go to the command prompt. Run as administrator. Then go to the NSSM. Then Windows 64. And now copy the path. And now enter. So now we are going to install Prometheus. So firstly, enter dir. So you can see here nssm.exe. So firstly, here run the command nssm.exe install Prometheus. Then go to the Prometheus location, this, and copy this path and paste here. Then Prometheus. So you can see here firstly nss.exe, then install Prometheus, and then we are going to here paste the path of that Prometheus and then /Prometheus. So press enter. So you can see service Prometheus installed successfully. So that means Prometheus is successfully installed. So okay. So now if you go to the service, and here You can see firstly Grafana. You can see a Grafana here and status is running. Then Prometheus. So you can see Prometheus first, but now it's stopped. So firstly, we are going to install WM Exporter, then we are going to start Prometheus. So now we are going to install WM Exporter. So you can see a Windows Exporter. That means our WM Exporter is successfully installed. So the Windows Exporter port number is 9182. So you can see the matrix of Windows Exporter, and if you go to the service, and here you can see Windows Exporter and status is running. That means it's successfully installed. So now here, if you go to the Prometheus, that means our configuration file, and now here we are going to add one more job, that job with the name WM Exporter. So you can see here is already only one job with the name Prometheus. Now we are going to add one more job with the name WM Exporter. WM Exporter, and the port number is 9182. Okay, so careful about indentation. So yes, it's okay. Now save the file and exit. And now we are going to start our Prometheus server. Here you can see. Now click on start. Okay, you can see here status is running. So let's check on browser. So here localhost :9090. So you can see here the Prometheus UI. So click on status and go to the target. You can see there is two jobs here running. So firstly WM Exporter, then Prometheus. And if you run up query here, execute up query, so you can see here, and both value is 1. That means firstly Prometheus and second is WM Exporter. That means it's successfully installed on Windows Server. So now we are going to configure firstly. So firstly click on that plus icon, and here you can see, firstly click on setting, and here you can see configuration, and here you can see add data source, and here select Prometheus. Then here you can see enter URL of your Prometheus. So copy the URL of Prometheus and paste here. Then if you scroll down, you can see save and text. So click on save and text. So you can see data source is working and data source added. So now go to the home page and now you can see the plus icon. So click on plus icon and click on import. And here for Windows, the dashboard URL ID is 2129. Click on load. And now we can see the name Windows node and folder is general. And now here Prometheus, select Prometheus default and click on import. So now you can see the dashboard is running of your Windows server. So now, in this video, we have learned how to install Prometheus, how to install Grafana, how to install WM Exporter. That means in this video we have learned how to install Prometheus and Grafana with WM Exporter on Windows Server, and how to monitor Windows Server. How to monitor Windows Server using Grafana, Prometheus Grafana with WM Exporter. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like the video and it's helpful to you. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps channel.